Hello, my name is Naya Patel. My student ID is 1014163336 and this is my assignment 2. It is divided into two parts, part A and part B. For the part A, it is like a math game in which user will enter two numbers between 1 to 10 and the system will create an equation with random operators. So the user will play it like a game. If the answer is correct, it will say that it's correct and you are a pro. If not, then it will correct the answer. Once the player is done playing, we will save our score in scoredocs.txt file. So for the part A, this is the code I have did. I imported random and string libraries. Now I need to uh, mount my file with Google Drive. So as I have already tried running this, it says that drive already mounted, but for the very first time it showed me that the file is mounted at this path. In Before that, we need to check if our score.txt file already exists or not. If not, then it will say that welcome to math game. The file is not found and we will make one for you. And if the file already exists, then it will say that I'm happy to meet you again, and it will show the last score the uh, player had once when he played the last. So once we run it, this is the code for that to check the score.txt file. Then I have given a global uh, max score which is equal to 0. Now this is the code for the game. Here we took the random numbers between 1 to 10 and have given random operators to create the equation. So as I mentioned earlier, if it will show if the answer is correct, it will show you like congratulations, you are a pro. And if not, then it will correct the answer and ask the user if they want to continue or not. So let's run this also. So this is the code where it will ask the user to play. If the user wants to play, then he will continue with yes. If not, then no. Then it will exit. So for this one, I use the while loop so that if the user wants to exit, it will end the loop. Let's check for the answer. So once we run it, as I have already played and my last score was 0, it prompted like this. Let's give the answer 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. So as the answer was correct, it prompted congratulations, you are a pro. So let's try to play again. So let's give a wrong answer. Let's say 32. So it corrected my answer and it's asking me again if I want to play. Now I don't want to play, so I will just say N. And it exited my loop. So the game is done. Now let's save it in our score.txt file. So let's see if the score is saved or not. So this is our score.txt. As you can see, it's a 0. My score was 0. So it's saved in the score.txt file. For part B, in this, it will like we need to make a quadratic equation. So as you can see, this is a quadratic equation over here. So for the part B, it's also like a game, quadratic equation game. So first we are it will ask you to print welcome to quadratic equation game. Then it asks you to print the quadratic default equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now we will ask the user to enter three numbers. So let's say for 1, number b, let's give 2, and for c, let's give 3. So As we have given three numbers, it will show our numbers in a quadratic equation. So as you can see, it just showed us like this: 1x squared plus 2x plus c, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. Now it will. Now we are asked to find a determinant. The formula for a determinant is b square minus 4ac. So I have written this code for it. Now, if the determinant is positive, then it will give us two real numbers. If it's negative, then it will show that the chord equation has two complex solutions. And if it's equal to 0, then it will give us just one real number. So let's see the number the user have entered. Does it have real solution, complex solution, or just one solution? So this is the for code for it. Let's run it. So as you can see, the quadratic equation is this one, and as this determinant of it is less than 0, which is a negative number, so we got a pair of complex solution. This one is also saved in a quadratic equation text file. So let's see if we get our answer. So as you can see, this is a quadratic equation and the answer. Now let's try for a real number. So let's say 2, 4. So as you can see here, the number we have entered, so the determinant of it is greater than 0, so it contains two real solution. So it gave us like, it prompted us that we got two real solution, and also the system gave us which are the two real solutions, which are this. So this is all about my assignment 2. Thank you very much.